Euro 2020 free betting tips. Anti-post best bets from Sporting Life. Belgium has won 20 of their last 23 competitive games and should be able to finish in the top 2 in Group B despite a few serious injuries. J. Cosgethode is a Twitter user who goes by the handle @JQs. Romelu Lukaku is Belgium's leading goal scorer with 4th May. BetVictor, Belgium's all-time record scorer, Romelu Lukaku, is in fine form heading into Euro 2020 after helping Inter Milan to their first Serie A title since 2010. In a group with Denmark, Russia and Finland, expect Belgium to score plenty of goals, and given Lukaku is the main finisher, he should rack up a few in those first 3 games. There is also a chance that the Inter forward will be on penalty duty, so the 4/5 available on him being his nation's top scorer looks big. Jake Pearson Belgium to win Group B at 10th November. Betfair, Paddy Power, Belgium are the 3rd favourites to become European champions for the first time in their history at this summer's tournament, and with the plethora of talent at the disposal of Roberto Martinez, it is easy to see why they are so fancied in the betting. Group B comprises of Belgium, Denmark, Russia and Finland, and it is difficult to see exactly where the threat would come from as far as Belgium not topping the group is concerned. Liam Kelly, at Liam K. Lita, France to win Euro 2020 at 9th February, General, France are the best team in the competition, and I don't think it's particularly close. This group have the experience and pedigree in major tournaments, finishing as runner-up in Euro 2016 before winning the 2018 World Cup rather comfortably. That makes this an easy selection. France should be a lot shorter than 9th February to win Euro 2020. In a competitive Group B with Denmark, Russia and Belgium, Hungary may be in the group of death against Germany, France and Portugal, but I can see the side that topped their group at Euro 2016 easily nicking a goal, especially against the Portuguese. Michael Beardmore, at Mickey Beardmore, Group B highest scoring group at 5th January, Sky Bet, Betfair. No team scored more goals than Belgium's 16 at the 2018 World Cup, and they also topped the Euro 2020 qualifying charts with 40. They are 11 to be top scorers again, but a safer bet is 5-1 on Group B to be the highest scoring group, just in case Belgium fluff their knockout lines. Russia were the 4th highest scorers in qualifying with 33, and hit 11 at the World Cup, while Denmark are no slouches and Teemu Pukki could bag a couple for Finland. Joe Townsend, at Joastity, Harry Kane top England goal scorer at 10th November, General. Before revealing my source for this tip, I will just give a gentle nudge in the direction of Portugal as potential tournament winners. In Sporting Life's Euro 2020 video preview, Jake Pearson selected Harry Kane's near-evens odds to be England's top scorer this summer as the best option from a 3 lines perspective. Captain Kane has the most goals for England at Euro 2020.